Craig Allen Films.
This one's too hard.
Know what the fuck going on here? Back at it. Gone for a little minute, but I'm back home. Bitch, I fucked around and bought another glizzy, put my tax on. Fresh as hell, got this out the closet, threw my hat on. Hit the block just to see how they react on. They gon' hate me cause they know I'm speaking facts. Mannie, get off on your ass, you know ain't no coming back. 60 rounds in that K, you know ain't no run from that. Hella hoes in your face, 555, spongy ass. They tryna bait me in right before I take them out. I'm finna take them in and switch me on that Glock. Bitch, this the latest gen. Kill all of my ops, I ain't gon' lie, that be my greatest sin. I got out, grabbed a zip, and then I smoked it up. Talk about cash for hours, I ain't gon' lie, my money long as fuck. Don't put me in your mentions when you dissing, cause I'm pulling up. And I ain't hanging out the window, bitch, I'm walking up. Big AR, no P, this bitch tall as fuck. Can't lie, these niggas getting beef and wanna call on us. These niggas hoes, you can see it in their eyes and you can see it in they posts. Ayy, if I wasn't rapping, I'd be doing the same thing. Posted by the ops, I'm tryna ruin y'all name. Wanna play, I got some shit to help me ruin y'all game. Asking all these questions about my case, you niggas 5-0. Give a fuck if you was granny, I'd rather if you not know. Cheese up on my head, still ain't got put in a taco.
Man, I still ain't win nowhere.